That's one nice thing about that. That's why I got that, so I can unhook it.
Yep. Yeah, we're just hooking the big one right now, so.
Is it Sparky?
No problem. It's something you have to take care of. So.
Easy does it.
There he comes.
I'll get back to you whenever we're on a Canadian dog.
Let's see, flash. So it's recording.
Let's record by moving on. I like it to you. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Pretty good sized fish. That's a big one. That's a big fish. That's bigger than that right there. That's gonna push 70, I'll bet. I think it's bigger than one I'm going. This is what's gonna happen here. This is a big fish.
Okay.
So clean that stuff off for me, all right? Clean that out. Yeah, nope.
Okay.
That's a big fish.
Hey, you got a tag on it too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he wasn't barely hooked yet. Okay, we want to make this quick as possible. We're measuring. I'll get the hook out of it here. Good job, Gary.
Oh.
Alright, let's let me slide him up here. I do. All the way back, push his tail in. What you got?
50, almost 59.
That's a gorgeous fish. I'm not taking anything away from it. That's a beautiful fish. Anybody would be tickled to death to have that fish.
Oh man, that was
Good job.
Oh, was that Gary?
Oh yeah.
That boy?
My blood's pumping now.
All right.
Right here, let me try to watch so you can stand up there.
Oops.